Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 733 for Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. If you've watched my videos, you know that my favorite starter word is raise. 3 vowels and 2 very common consonants. Let's go. And look at this, 3 letters, 2 in the correct place. I'm going to do very well today, I believe, because this is a fantastic start. And this is why I use raise. I'm going to keep using it until I stop doing well with it. I'm going to predict the S is going to be in the middle. So we have X, A, S, X, E. What can I possibly put here? Right off the top of my head, taste is a possible word, but I don't think they would use the T twice. I can also go with paste, also based. So I'm going to go with paste. If I use paste, that will tell me if the S is in the correct place, and of course if there is a P-R-A-T in the word. So let me try paste right here, P-A-S-T-E. Going to press enter. And I had it close. And almost, I knew it was probably paste or based or something like that. What can it possibly be? Waste is also a possibility. So here goes Tracy again with a word that could be many words. It's not paste. It could be waste. It could be haste, H-A-S-T-E. Oh gosh, it could be based. So I am either going to get it in 3 with waste, or I could get it in 4 with based, or I could get it in 5 with haste, depending on what the editor, Tracy, is doing today. I'm going with waste. I'll know right away. Please give me a green first letter. No, it's not haste. No, it's not waste. Let's go with based. No, it's not based. Let's go with haste. Oh my goodness, what could it possibly be? What am I doing here? It's taste. After all of this, it's taste. I just can't believe she did that. I mean, she's just screwing with us today, people. Look at that, 6 tries. I almost had it in 2, and the editor, a woman named Tracy, just put a word that could have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different words. I absolutely hate that. What's really bad is the first word I thought of was taste, but I didn't think she would have used a word with 2 T's. I thought she would have made it a little bit more difficult, but she didn't. The word was taste. That's the very first word I thought of, and I ended up using it as my last hope, and it did work, but it took me 6 tries. I guess you could say I got fooled, and you probably did as well. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.